with the Fran Campbell team at RE/MAX Look at the Ozarks, and I'm so excited to show you this 3-bedroom, 3-bath, just over 2,000 square foot unit at Summer Place. Come on inside, let's take a look. This tricked out kitchen greets you as you walk in the front door. Beautiful granite countertops, upgraded cabinets, and stainless steel appliance package, including a warming drawer and a dual microwave convection oven. Come check this out. This is not your typical condo shower. This is one of the highlights of Summer Place, the massive screened and covered deck, with plenty of room for your entire family to enjoy the outdoors. This floor plan is set up perfectly for summer fun or for full-time living. Full-size laundry room and plenty of extra storage. The unit is priced with one 12 by 32 boat slip, and an additional 12 by 32 boat slip is available for an extra $30,000. Give Fran Campbell team a call at 573-302-2390 to check out this beautiful package.